So you ask yourself, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko bang maging online entrepreneur? Kasi wala akong experience, I don't have any market, wala akong circle, maliit lang yung circle ko, mahiyain ako sa social media. Do you think I will be successful on this business if I go digital marketing as well, or like what you are currently doing? Because I cannot do the things that you are doing online. I browse your business page and I cannot face social media. I don't have the confidence, and I cannot write the things you posted on your social media. I don't know where you're getting the ideas, pero tingin mo ba, kaya ko ba itong negosyo na to? Kaya ko ba even without any skills or experiences to do this business? Am I going to be successful, or am I going to nail this, or am I going to fail this business? This business doesn't need you to be tech savvy. This business doesn't require you any college degree or certain education. This business doesn't need you to be extrovert or introvert in the business. Ang kailangan mo lang, kung willing ka bang matuto. Gusto mo bang matuto? Mahirap kasi ako, like me, I've been very slow on the business. First, I guess, siguro i-consider natin yung time. I am a full-service restaurant owner and I am a parent as well. And when I started this business, I have, my little one is only 1 year old. So imagine, sa mami pa yon, hawak pa sa mami yon. So I only have very limited time. Tapos hindi pa ako ganun ka-tech savvy. And then when I started the business, I'm actually only using my phone and a very old laptop. Again, it's a very old laptop when I started this digital business. Imagine, I went online business using only whatever I have. That is how I get started. Kasi gusto ko nakita ko yung business kung gaano kaganda. Nakita ko na I can work at my own terms. Walang quota, walang monthly fees. Once I started my business, once I set up yung website ko. Kailangan mo ng website kasi doon papasok yung mga interesado ding maging digital business na kagaya mo. So I started with that. Skeptical, yes, I am very skeptical. If you are going to watch all my old previous videos, you would know how skeptical I am into the business because una, legit ba to? Because I don't want to put up my name in something which doesn't bring legality, and if it is unethical. Ayokong isubmit yung pangalan ko at ang pangalan ng pamilya ko sa business na hindi ko ganun ka alam. So I studied the business properly. I did my due diligence. I did my research to know more about anything about the business. And of course, the questions I have has been answered and it satisfies whatever I need to know. That is the reason why I am running this business up until now. And aside from that, pinag-aralan ko siya talaga. Hindi ako ganun kabilis kagaya ng iba na nakuha agad kung ano ang not strategy pero yung structure ng business. I am getting there. Slowly, pero kinaya ko. Pag sinabi kong kaya ko, gagawin ko. Ganun lang naman yun And if you are going to look back on why you started the business, pag nakikita ko yung kids ko, I know I wanted to give the best for them. So hindi ka pwedeng tamarin, hindi ka pwedeng mapagod. Aside from the bills that continuously paying, may mga gusto kang makuha pa. Kung ikaw lang sa sarili mo, pwede mo sigurong sabihin na, okay na ako, matagal na akong okay. Pero if you look around and if you wanted to help more, you wanted to do more. And aside from that, makikita mo nga, like I mentioned the other day, you have seen local celebrities na nagla-live selling. Why they do live selling? Siguro, yes, they are enjoying what they are doing. And aside from that, it brings money then. They are using their time wisely. So ikaw, anong ginagawa mo sa mga spare time mo? Me, before you would see me, wala, nagbabrowse lang ako talaga ng Facebook, connect sa friends, connect sa family, and aside from that, looking for what recipe, looking for what activities for my kids. And now, nagsa-cellphone pa rin ako, nagsa-social media pa rin ako, pero I am actually growing myself, I'm learning the business, and I am sharing the opportunity to every parent out there who also wanted to give the best for their family. Either you wanted to spend more time with your kids, gusto mo mag-retire early, gusto mo, you know what? Ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Hanggat kaya mo pa, look for those opportunity that will work for you. This business, I have met a lot of people dito sa restaurant. I usually meet a lot of people na they are working, and I sometimes give and share the opportunity to them. I have some business cards. I don't know if maybe they don't open it, because on my site I can see if how many people click my website. I would know if you click my link or not. So imagine that you are complaining with your situation right now, but you are not doing anything. Hindi ka nagtitingin sa opportunity. Why? Because we get stuck there. Nasanay tayo na makukuha mo lang yung extra income na yon pag naghanap ka ng ibang trabaho. Doon na sana yung utak natin. Never tayong nag-look sa opportunity. Merong pangilan-ngilan na naghahanap talaga ng opportunity, because me, I never look for opportunity. I am on that mindset as well na makakakuha lang ako ng extra income kung magkakaroon ako ng panibagong negosyo. Ng panibagong trabaho. Because kung tight pa ang budget mo, gusto mo nga ng apartment para meron kang monthly income na pumapasok, paano kung hindi pasok sa budget mo na makabili ng second property for rental income? Hindi mo rin magagawa. So, ang may isip mo lang ngayon, maghanap ng second or third job para sa extra income na hinahanap mo. Saan ka talo doon? Sa oras. Lalo na kung may pamilya ka. Kasi kung may pamilya ka, tapos may second, third job ka pa, pagod ka na nun. You won't be able to spend a quality time with your family. So, mahirap yon. So, try to find a opportunity that will work on your lifestyle. For me, this is the digital business that works for me, because like I said, it doesn't require constant monitoring. It runs in the background. I could still spend time with my family. And right now, every day I am getting increase from those parents who actually wanted to spend more time with the family. Ang daming kong nakilala na naging digital entrepreneur din, not just because they are looking for money. Most of them are professionals. There are engineers, there are doctors, there are on the healthcare industry na alam mong kumikita ng malaki. Kaya lang what they are craving for is the time freedom. Pag sinabi mong time freedom, isa yun sa ibinibigay ng extra income ng company na to. Natural, kung meron ka ng extra income na nagra-run para sa'yo, you will create more time to spend more quality time with your family. Bukod pa doon, pwede ka pang makatulong sa iba. So, what are you doing right now? Like I said, like I always mention, you don't need to have a life setbacks bago ka maghanap ng plan B. Hindi mo kailangang magkasakit, hindi mo kailangang matanggal sa trabaho bago ka maghahanap ng panibagong opportunity para sa'yo. Simulan mo na ang paghahanap, kasi mas iba pa rin yung habang malakas ka pa, habang kaya mo pa, gawin mo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ganun lang naman yun. So, if you are wanting to check out what I am doing, to those who doesn't know me, kung bago ka sa page ko, my name is Melissa. I'm originally from the Philippines, now living in Canada. I have 2 kids and we have a full service restaurant, and I'm running my own digital business as well. So if you want to do something like this na hindi magkokompromiso ang oras mo para sa pamilya mo, check it out. Just give yourself a chance. Meron akong free webinar na mapapanood mo. Bigay mo lang yung email address mo, register. I can also register you. Ngayon, check mo lang. Free webinar naman. Just check it out. Kung tingin mo, ito yung kaya mong simulan, let's connect, let's chat. Kung meron kang hindi naintindihan doon sa webinar na pinanood mo, again, ask question. Walang mawawala. Kung tatahimik ka lang dyan, walang mangyayari. Kung mag-a-assume ka lang na siguro ganito yon, no. You have to ask question. Kung meron kang nalalabuan or hindi clear para sa'yo, start asking questions. Yun lang. Let's connect. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng pagbabago sa susunod na taon, huwag ka nang mag-intay ng January 1st. The time is now. Yun lang. God bless us, everyone.